Today I am preparing the chocolate shortcrust pastry. These are the ingredients: 185 green of butter, 2 egg yolks, 110 green of sugar, 250 g of flour, 1 packet of vanilla, 20 green of cocoa, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of salt. I start by adding sugar, egg yolk, honey, and vanilla. I start by measuring a tablespoon of honey, ensuring it's level. This golden liquid is poured into the bowl, forming a sweet base. Next, I add softened butter, making sure it's evenly mixed. Then I sift the flour to remove lumps and gradually stir it in for a smooth texture. Finally, I sprinkle a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors, ensuring a harmonious blend of ingredients. And cocoa. Now I am kneading everything. Here, the shortcrust pastry is ready. Now I place it on the paper and put it in the fridge for a while. Then I will roll it out with my hands. Right now it is soft, but after half an hour the dough will be nice and solid. I am taking my pastry course from a former pastry chef.